In urban environments like Hong Kong, the proliferation of unauthorized signboards has raised significant safety concerns. The Signboard Control System aims to manage these structures to prevent hazards and ensure public safety while maintaining the aesthetic integrity of the city's landscape. A core aspect of the SBCS is its programmed enforcement strategy, which focuses on identifying and taking action against large unauthorized signboards. Regular surveys are essential in maintaining safety and functionality, identifying hazardous and abandoned signs that pose risks to pedestrians and motorists alike. Through the Signboard Validation Scheme, existing signboards can remain if they meet the safety guidelines established by the Buildings Department. This not only promotes adherence to regulations but also allows for the retention of signs that add character to the city when they are safe. The SBCS emphasizes strict compliance with signboard regulations. Unauthorized signboards expose owners to significant consequences, including hefty fines and the risk of imprisonment. These measures ensure that public safety remains paramount in urban planning. In cases where signboards are deemed dangerous or abandoned, the SBCS allows for immediate removal. This urgent action is crucial in protecting the public and maintaining safety in busy areas, with costs recoverable from the respective owners to ensure accountability. To learn more, please visit the Building Surveying Excellence Academy.